Today's topic is time management. In today's scenario, people are so busy in their lives that they are not getting time for themselves, due to which time management has become the need of the hour. Time management is playing a vital role in mankind. Time management creates discipline or vice versa. If you want to be successful in life, then you need to manage your time. As a result, various billionaires teach about time management. The meaning of time management. In our daily life, we have got only 24 hours in a day. Therefore, we cannot do everything in one day. This creates limitations in our everyday work. In order to manage work, social life, and sleep, division of time is important. In a particular way, division of time is the need. This will help the person to complete all his tasks. You should write your task in a schedule. Designing has to be in a way that each task gets enough time. Your work should have the highest priority. The second priority should sleep. And the last but not the least, your social life. Your social life includes family and friends. In order to live a happy and peaceful life, socializing is important. Too much workload can make a person ill. So give your mind a little rest. Spending time with family can help you with this. Moreover, the main purpose to work is to fulfill the needs of the family. Since the fulfillment of needs is important, which makes a person happy. Importance of time management for students. Though adults are working, the students are not spread with work. The students today have many studies to do. Because of this, they are not getting time to enjoy their childhood. Time management for students has become a crucial need. Education has become vast, therefore, proper scheduling of time is important. A good student knows the importance of studies, but he should also know time never comes back. Thus, a student should take out time for personal development too, since personal development is important for their proper growth. Moreover, personality development is also important for a student. They should at least take out 1 hour for sports. Sports teach student teamwork. Since it is enjoyable, it lessens the stress of the day. The daily routine is school or college and then coaching. This leaves with no time of self-studies. Self-study is an important aspect of education. The student should not neglect this. As the day ends, they get too tired, due to which there is no energy left. This degrades the performance of the student. There is a difference between a topper and an average student. That difference is proper time management. A topper student schedules his time, while an average student does not do that. And because he never manages time, he gets no time for self study, which in turn leaves him behind.